Hello, my name is David Wilson and I am going to show you how to set up OBS to stream to YouTube Live. Now, in previous videos we've gone through the setup of OBS, Open Broadcast System, and we have also gone through and created a video on streaming to Facebook. This video tutorial we're going to look at setting up to stream to YouTube Live. So I'm going to open up OBS and it's in our previous video we've already set up the input source and so forth, so we're going to jump right into settings and start looking at setting up for YouTube. So if I go into settings, just like we had in the stream section under Facebook Live, we had a stream key in there. YouTube/YouTube Gaming is what it displays as in OBS. It knows about the primary and secondary ingest servers. All we really need is the stream key, once again from YouTube. Now you can click this link and it will launch you through to the live dashboard to get that link. But before we do that, what I want to do is just spend a little bit of time getting our YouTube channel prepared. So I'm just going to jump back out of that. This is my normal YouTube profile, so you need to be logged in. What you need to do is go to settings, and down in settings you have a section which says add or manage your channels. Now I have a few channels in here already, but if you haven't already created a channel for your church, you'll want to do that, and you can come in here and click on create new channel. So I'm going to run through that briefly. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. So this will be our church live, and I can click create. Now what this is doing is creating a brand for your church, so you're not streaming under your own YouTube profile, and so this, you can then customize this for your church. So you can see it's come up with generic information. You can change the logos and so forth, but this is your new channel. And so if you pop across here, you'll be able to switch accounts. You select switch accounts and you can now behave on YouTube as, you know, yourself or your church. And so when you click into there, you're then behaving on YouTube as or posting on YouTube as your church. Up here there is a camera icon with a plus, and you can click on that and you can either upload a video or you can go live. Now the first thing you want to do if you've just created your channel is to click on the go live. It will throw you through some account verification processes that you need to do before you can go live. So I need to select the country, or we can get a text, and I'll punch in my mobile in there, and they will send us a text message, and I will pop that in. And so these are just a few of the hoops that YouTube will make you jump through to verify the account. Now hopefully you're not doing this at 6 AM on a Sunday morning ready to live stream, because to be able to do any live streaming, it will take 24 hours to activate the account for live streaming. So make sure you do this a few days ahead of time. We're not going to be able to use this particular account for the demonstration. We'll jump into another one because we'll have to wait for this one to become active. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, because we need to wait 24 hours for this account to be activated for live videos, I'm going to switch back across to our Ministry of Tech account for the rest of this demonstration. And this is the channel that we'll be uploading to. So the channel needs to be active and needs to be active for live streams. So now that we're there, if I just jump back across to OBS, we've got that link there. If I click on that, it's going to throw me into youtube.com live dashboard, okay, and I can go to the live control room. Now this is the same location that you will go to if you press the little camera at the top of your YouTube channel. So if I jump back across to YouTube here, if I click this create a video or post and go live, it's going to throw me to this channel here. So this is our news stream. So we can put in here church at 10 a.m. for example. Now normally you would want to make this public. You can also make it unlisted, which means anyone that can still watch it, but they need to have the link, or you can make it private. Now normally you would make this a public live stream video so that anyone can watch it. I'm going to make mine private just so that I don't notify all of our YouTube followers. We can also add a description in here, and you can write whatever you like in here. Okay, so put that in there on the end of that. You can select the categorization. You can schedule this for a future date. It doesn't matter too much. As soon as you start the stream, it will just start anyway, but it's a way of giving an indication to your viewers that this live stream is coming up and when it's meant to go live. You can also upload a custom thumbnail. Now this section down here is this video made for kids. This is required. It's required by YouTube, and it's designed to protect YouTube and to help YouTube protect kids online. This Yes Made for Kids is designed for is meant to be selected for any video that is designed to attract kids. So if your church service is specifically a children's church service, you would tick yes. If it's for all ages, then you can tick no on that. If you tick yes, it will turn off commenting, and it will also prevent targeted adverts, and that is to protect the kids that are likely to be watching this particular stream. So once we've done that, we can do an age restriction if we wanted to, and so we can now create the stream, and it's going to throw us into a page that is waiting for our video to come in. It's going to pop up and ask us for give us the stream key. So this is the stream key that we're looking for. Now you can select this. We can just copy that, and if I jump back across to OBS and paste that in there, we can click on OK, and now OBS is ready to communicate with YouTube. I can click done on there, and we are now at this page waiting for our video to come in. We haven't pressed start on our OBS yet. The live chat is here, and it's ready for a chat to happen. If you wanted to leave that on, that's fine. If you want to turn that off, you can go into the live stream settings and go down to live chat, sorry, and then you can click the enable live chat and allow live chat to replay, and click on save there, and that will, if you turn those off, that will make the live chat go away, and people won't be able to chat and comment on the live video. So we're really just waiting now for the video to come in. So let's jump across back to OBS. We've got all of our settings in, and if I press start stream on there, that should start sending packets, and you've got a green down here, so that's all good. So we'll jump back across to here and wait for that to start loading in here. So we're still not live yet. We're just there's a go live button up here. It's waiting for a solid video connection, and there's our video. So if I jump across to OBS, you can see this is the video that we're sending, and we've got it here. It's come up here saying looks like you're ready. Click here to start streaming. So when we're ready to go, we just simply press the Go Live button, and it says going live, and it will start monitoring. We're live. Okay, so to recap, back in OBS, we have gone into settings, and we have set our stream key in there to link OBS to our YouTube account. Once that is done, we can go into our channel, we can click the camera and press the Go Live option, and that will take us into our studio page where we can manage our streams. So one of the benefits of doing repetitive streams is that it will pop, once you've done 1 or 2 streams, it will pop up and say, do you want to create a new stream with the last used settings? And so that's a nice easy way to go copy and create, and it will copy all of the settings across from the last one. It'll still give you an opportunity to set the date and time, so the title is all there, it's public, it's you know, your comments and so forth are there, and everything is all good to go. So you can just reschedule that for the following Sunday at 10 AM, and it's already brought across the made for kids settings, and so I just press save, and we are really good to go for streaming. Okay, I just want to show you one other quick thing before we go and look at that stream, and that is back over in the YouTube account. When you go to your YouTube channel, which is where I am at the moment, you'll notice the URL at the top is youtube.com/channel/your ID. This is a custom ID for your channel, and then in there it has a question mark view as subscriber at the end. If you get rid of that little bit there, leave your ID intact and put a /live, what YouTube will do is it will display your live video. Now that live video is going to be a holding page of your next upcoming video. So you can see here live in 11 days, 26th of April at 10 AM. So it's got a holding slide here ready for your next stream, and the users can set a reminder and so forth. So I'm going to just pop back, and then we're going to go live with start streaming, and then we'll come back and have a look at that page in just a sec. Okay, so our video is there and our go live option is here, so we can go live with this video. Okay, so we are live, and we've got the end stream option, and our OBS is running here, and so all looks pretty good. If we pop back across to that URL that we looked at a little bit earlier, that's youtube.com/channel/our ID/live. If I pop that into the browser, this will then pop up and should display the live video. So this is a great URL that you can put on your website, so that people, if they go to your website, they can click on that, and if you have at the appropriate time, they can see your live service running. And so it's launching up, and if I press play on there, I'll just turn my audio down, and so you can see that it's now live and not displaying the reminder card anymore. Okay, so we are live, and if we jump back across to OBS, we can stop streaming here, but YouTube Studio will control the stream from here. So when you're ready to stop streaming, when you're using OBS, you need to click the End Stream button here. That will finish the stream. It will confirm that you want to do that, and that will then bring up the Stream Finished button. Then once you've done that, you can come across to OBS and click Stop Streaming, and that will stop OBS sending the data to YouTube. So over here we've got our stream finished, which shows us some statistics. We can go through and edit that in Studio. So if we click Edit in Studio, it'll take us across to YouTube Studio. The video itself should already be available on your channel. So I'm going to just go to the channel, the public view of our channel, and you'll be able to see here we've got in our home, we've got our church at 10 a.m. Video here under church services. If I go to videos, we can see that the video is here in our videos, just as if we uploaded it ourselves. We can also put it into playlists and organize them as you would any normal video that you would upload to YouTube. So we can create a church services playlist, for example, and put all of our live stream church services into that playlist so that you can see those all together.